How to mute messages on Instagram. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can mute messages from someone on Instagram. It's a handy feature for maintaining a peaceful inbox. To begin, open your Instagram application on your device and locate the messenger icon at the top right corner. Click on it to access the message section. Once you are in message section, find the profile of the person you want to mute and click on it to enter the chat. Now on the chat screen, click on the person's name at the top. This action will take you to the page where you will find mute option indicated by a bell icon. Click on this icon and you will be presented with two options, mute messages or calls. Since we want to mute messages, toggle the button next to it. Instagram will then prompt you to choose how long would you like to mute the messages from this person. Select a desired duration and yes, you have successfully muted the messages. Alternatively, you can also tap and hold the person's profile within the chat and menu will appear. Here you will find the mute message option. Simply click on it and select the duration for the mute. And there you go. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.